What is the best AI investing tool in the market? Well, I'm biased, so I'm going to say Tykr, and I'll give you some reasons why. Now, for context, we just launched a new feature called the AI Investing Helper, and there's really three key components of this, but I'll zoom out and give you a step back of what we did. We know that AI can hallucinate and it can give bad recommendations, bad ideas, bad suggestions to people, which is why we took OpenAI and we integrated it with the Tykr algorithm. And what that has done is create guardrails. So AI is going to bounce up against the sides to make sure, in most cases, not all, but most, it does not give our customers bad recommendations or ideas. Now, without AI, to give you a little context here on how Tykr has performed, Tykr actually does beat the S&P 500, and it does beat Berkshire Hathaway, and it does beat most hedge funds around the world. And I'll show you right now. Now, before I show you, I do have to say this. Returns, of course, are not guaranteed. All right, so let's go ahead in the left navigation. Let's go to Analytics. We'll click on Returns, and I'll show you what this looks like. So looking at the 1-year returns and the 5-year returns, check this out. S&P 500 over the last year has returned about 36%. It's pretty good. Berkshire Hathaway, not so good. That's at -2. And then Tykr is at about almost 40%. Then the 5-year annual returns. This is the real test. So S&P 500, 10% over the last 5 years, which is still all right. Berkshire Hathaway, 12.6, and Tykr, 14.5. And this is actually the returns of the Tykr community. And get this, over 80% of our customers are complete beginners. Now, with AI added to the mix, we've created a huge time saver. So I'll show you what that looks like. So getting into Tykr, on the left navigation, let's go to AI Helper or AI Investing Helper. We've got these three key features: Investing Helper, Portfolio Analyzer, and Portfolio Builder. So with the Helper, you can use this to learn how to invest. You can find stock ideas. You can get up to speed very quickly. So what I'm going to do here is I want to find some really strong stock ideas. So I'm going to type in something like, give me a list of the top 10 strongest tech stocks in the market. All right, we'll see what it says. AI will go to work, and here we go. All right, we've got a heck of a list here. We've got Broadcom, I see Lam Research, Microsoft, Intuit, Palo Alto, NVIDIA, of course, Micron, ServiceNow, Amazon. So we got a really strong list. That's great. So that is a great example of, like, you want to find some ideas. This is a really good starting point to create a short list of stocks, because there's a lot of stocks in the market. We've got about 50,000 plus. All right, now let me show you what it looks like to analyze a current portfolio. So I'll go here, you can select a portfolio. I've got a bunch of test portfolios because I'm always doing tests with our broker connection feature. I got one here titled Robinhood Test. So let's select that. We'll click next. And since I have analyzed this portfolio already, I see this little pop-up here that says a chat for this portfolio already exists. Would you like to continue with the existing chat or start a new one? I'll just continue with the existing. It's doing a little analysis. We'll give it a second. All right, here we go. And what the analysis is doing is it's first off, it's going to let us know where does this fall, if it's wealth protection or wealth building. If you haven't gone through the Tykr onboarding, I'll give a quick definition here. So wealth building is when you are 5 years out or more to retirement. In that case, you want to be in about 10 to 15 stocks. For context, Warren Buffett, how did he build his first million? Well, he owned about 10 stocks. And over time, with Berkshire Hathaway eventually built up a portfolio of about 40 stocks. So that kind of shows you on the low end, you should be around 10, high end around 40. So with the wealth building, we like to say 10 to 15. And then wealth protection, that's when you're 5 years out or less to retirement. In that case, you should have about 15 to 30. So if it's 10 to 30 or 10 to 40, don't split hairs. Now, as you build up a portfolio, and you add more stocks to that portfolio, the more stocks in the portfolio, the lower returns you're probably going to get. All right, let's stroll through here and see what AI has said to us. So it's giving us some allocation insights. It says this portfolio has about 11 individual stocks and about 4 sectors, kind of breaking some of the positions down, giving you some key insights, some growth opportunities, and some risks to pay attention to. It's really a detailed analysis to give you good feedback. And then down below, you can see how this compares to the Tykr community. You can see the summary breakdown. About 36% are on sale, whereas the Tykr community in their portfolios are averaging about 35. So pretty close. Then we break down the other numbers. Our score is averaging 74, whereas the Tykr community is around 59. The 4M is averaging 74 versus 62 in the community. And then you can see here the margin of safety is 44% versus the community around 33%. So actually pretty close. So that's the portfolio analyzer. Let's go ahead and build a new portfolio. Now this feature is super slick. There's not a lot of platforms that can do this because they don't have their own algorithm integrated with OpenAI. So we can go ahead and type in our request, or we can click one of these buttons down below. I'm going to type in, give me a portfolio of 10 strong tech stocks. See what it comes up with here. All right, here we go. Oh, check this out. So you can see the blue line, historical returns. This is Tykr stocks versus S&P 500. Look at that, 1 year returns 82%. When we scroll down, we're going to see what stocks have put in this portfolio. All right, then we can see 5 year, Tykr 216 versus S&P 60. Wow, okay. Let's keep going here. So we can see here, it's about a 50-50 split between on sale and watch, score of 74, average 4M of 75, and average margin of safety of 45. So all looking really good. The one thing I probably would have added to the criteria is, hey, give me stocks that have a 4M of 80 or higher. 75 is pretty close. All right, let's see what it added here. Oh, wow. All right, so let's go ahead, expand the list. We've got NVIDIA, Micron, AMD, Salesforce, Datadog, Amphenol. I'm not even familiar with that stock. Interesting. Lam Research, Microsoft, Adobe, and Apple. Wow. Within seconds, this built a banger of a portfolio. I'm even impressed. I didn't do that search yet in my testing with this tool. Now you can go above, save as template. Let's save. And then if you go back, go to templates. This is pretty cool. You can see some starter templates we already pre-built for the community. You can also see your templates. So I've got that one sitting there. And then you can also see the community. A lot of other people building other portfolios, which is pretty cool. So anyway, is Tykr the best AI investing tool in the market? Well, I'll let you decide. And of course, if you're interested, you can join Tykr for free. Thanks for staying to the end. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Referrals from friends are one of the best ways to build a business. Of course, don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you hear. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.